To briefly summarize the role, so the team leader is going to synthesize the information and make the decisions. The resident will be working through the physical exam and helping to gather information, and the nurse will be helping to administer the orders. If you need information, so for the physical exam, it's going to appear in your chat box. You have a new patient today. Mr. Jones is a 70-year-old male.
Mr. Jones, how are you feeling today? Can you?
I feel tired.
All right, we'll take care of you, okay?
Dr. Guide, the patient has one IV line.
Could you please try to get to one larger bore, like 18 gauge, maybe in antecubital? Can you go through ABCDs, please?
A airway. I saw a little bit of moving on the legs.
IV line is in.
Can you just start up one ringer lactate with the pressure bag while we are continuing?
A bit slower. There's no seizure activity and no neurologic deficit. For exposure,
does he have any tenderness anywhere?
When palping his flank, there's a bit of tenderness on the both sides.
He has sinus tachycardia.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to apply a cold gel on your chest to do a little imaging of the heart and the lungs, okay?
Okay.
I can't see any B lines.
See really good left ventricle, but the right ventricle is hyperdynamic and empty, and then there's small IVC. So getting more tachycardic, and he's still 81. I think we may want to.
The ringer has already done.
Yeah.
So 2 liters more.
No, just one more. Get some norepinephrine infusion ready. I think we should start norepinephrine in addition to it. And it's getting more tachycardic. Laura, what do you see here on ECG?
Should I finish ultrasound? I'm missing the abdomen.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, there's no fluid between the kidney and the liver, but there's this pelvis is a little distended. Both sides, is this hydronephrosis on both sides or just one?
It's just one side.
Just on the right side. Okay. Do we have the labs back? Dr. Florin, can you just check the ABG and SAT?
Oh, he has a very low glucose, 2.5, and high lactate, 4.6.
This looks like sepsis. He was on prednisone before. I would give him like hydrocortisone, stress dose, just 50 of hydrocortisone, and I think we should get a cultures. What do you think the source is? There is a kidney infection, so we should get the urine analysis to see